All right, this is the Ryobi Hybrid model P3320TH fan. It'll run on a standard 18-volt Ryobi battery, or you can plug an extension cord, run it on AC power. We all hate long, boring videos, so I got this all set up. Basically what you need is you need a number 10 Torx driver with a thin shaft to fit in these holes. You've got 4, I believe they're security style. So that would be like that with the hole in the end. Unfortunately, this is just a standard on the one that I need. I was able to get the screws out. You probably will be able to also. This little floor plate comes out. The electric connection for the battery slides in here. The connection is marked positive and negative. You want to pay attention to that when you put it back together, or your fan will run backwards, being that it runs on DC power. Luckily, the battery is also marked positive and negative, so it's not rocket science. I've got my meter set on DC. I've got the leads attached, and what they've done is they've hidden the wires down in this milk crate with cutouts, and they push the wires in there, and you wind up with little pinch points. It's a little hard to see, but this wire has multiple pinch points on it. So what I discovered was, by playing with the wires, I forgot to mention the way this is set up. It's got an AC power supply that is wired in parallel to this 12-volt connector. So there's 2 sets of wires here, coming in from the AC adapter and then going down to the motor. So again, this fan runs on battery, but it does not run on AC. So these wires for the AC, over time and use, got pinched, and if I bounce them around enough, I can get power all the way up to 18 volts. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to trim these wires back, solder and shrink tube them with a little heavier gauge, and then I'll open up some of these grooves to hide the wires, and this fan should work again. It's about an $80 fan, but it's worth every penny. It's good to have down in the chicken coop or in the van, in the house. It's portable. It runs a pretty good length of time on a good battery, and I do recommend it. Don't bother liking and sharing, because I'm not one of those video people. I just thought somebody might be able to fix their fan if they see this video, and good luck to you. It's not rocket science. I think the average person with average intelligence can figure it out. Later.